Welcome to Echoes of Earth.
Have you ever looked up into the night sky and seen waves of green, pink, or purple dancing above you? Those mesmerizing ribbons of color are known as the Aurora Borealis, or more commonly, the Northern Lights. But why do they happen? What causes this breathtaking spectacle to paint our polar skies? Today, we're diving into the cosmic forces, solar science, and Earth's magnetic secrets that make this phenomenon possible. Welcome to the fascinating world of the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights are a type of aurora, a natural light display that occurs when charged particles from the Sun collide with gases in Earth's atmosphere. They typically occur near the polar regions, where Earth's magnetic field is strongest and channels these particles into the atmosphere. There are actually two types. Aurora Borealis in the Northern Hemisphere. Aurora Australis in the Southern Hemisphere. They mirror each other, dancing in synchrony across the poles. The story begins 93 million miles away, on the surface of the Sun. Our star constantly emits a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. Occasionally, the Sun releases massive bursts of energy and particles called solar flares or coronal mass ejections (CMEs). These high-speed solar particles travel through space, and when they reach Earth, that's when the magic begins. But Earth doesn't just sit there and take the hit. Earth is protected by a magnetic field. Imagine a giant invisible shield that surrounds our planet. This field deflects most of the solar wind, keeping us safe from harmful radiation. But at the magnetic poles, the field lines dip down toward Earth's surface. This lets some of the charged solar particles slip through. Once inside, they collide with atoms and molecules in our upper atmosphere, mainly oxygen and nitrogen. These collisions excite the gas particles, causing them to glow, just like a neon sign. So why are the Northern Lights different colors? It depends on two things. The type of gas involved. The altitude of the collision. Green, the most common color, caused by oxygen about 60 to 150 miles up. Red, rarer, from high-altitude oxygen collisions. Blue-purple, caused by nitrogen, especially at lower altitudes. The variety and movement of colors are due to fluctuations in the solar wind and changes in atmospheric composition. To see the Northern Lights, you need dark skies, clear weather, and the right location. They are most visible in the auroral oval, which includes northern Norway, Iceland, Finland, Alaska, northern Canada. Best times to view? September to March in the Northern Hemisphere. Around midnight, when the sky is darkest. During solar maximums, when solar activity peaks about every 11 years. Apps and forecasts can help you track geomagnetic activity in real time. Long before science explained the aurora, ancient cultures developed legends to understand the lights. Vikings believed they were reflections from Valkyrie armor guiding warriors to Valhalla. Sami people of northern Europe viewed them as spiritual beings, to be respected and never whistled at. Inuit tales describe them as spirits of ancestors playing ball with a walrus skull. Modern science has demystified the phenomenon, but the awe remains just as strong. Today, space scientists use satellites and observatories to monitor the Sun's activity. By tracking solar flares and CMEs, we can forecast auroras several hours, or even days, in advance. Websites and apps like NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center give real-time updates. These predictions aren't perfect, but they give aurora hunters a much better shot. The Northern Lights are more than a pretty display. They are a glowing reminder of the cosmic connection between our planet and the star that sustains us. They show us the invisible forces, magnetism, radiation, and atomic energy that shape life on Earth in ways we're only beginning to understand. So the next time you find yourself under a polar sky, look up. And remember, you're watching the universe at work. A cosmic light show, written in solar wind, painted by Earth's magnetic hand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more science wonders.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for the next.